is very early Saturday morning, and I am off on a grand adventure. Now, I do love to go chase history. I love to find interesting cars, and I will go pretty much anywhere if the car has a spectacular story. And the one I'm after this weekend most definitely does. Now, it was kind of a sleepless night, I will admit. I went to bed early. I woke up about 12:30 or so thinking, oh, it's time to go. And, well, no, it's not. I didn't need to leave until a little after 6. But anyway, I'm going to make the best of it. I'm on my way down to Palm Springs currently, and I will be getting on a plane and flying off to Phoenix, Arizona. This one, I'm going to dig up and drive home. What's happening? That guy.
What's up?
What's happening?
Dude, I have to tell you the story already. Yeah, baby, here we go. It's happening. It's happening.
Welcome to Phoenix.
We're here, we made it.
Wherever here is.
Quite the tour.
So local Randy here took us like all around the whole freaking town because he didn't know the difference between street and avenue.
You said streets.
No, well,
And
no.
I said avenues.
Well, and you should have listened to me, is what you should have done.
So I have another copy of this,
Cool.
but it's not in the frame.
Awesome.
So this is an extra key for Bessie,
Okay.
and I think it's for the ignition.
Okay. Excellent. And there's Bessie. That he had made, and the flyers are so great. He's got a website that has a bunch of this stuff on it that I was looking at.
Could you hand me
That's
that?
amazing.
That's not relevant anymore. When he goes home, he might want to.
Yeah, Bessie, what?
Bessie wants to go.
Sounds great. He's so excited. Wow.
Oh, it runs beautiful.
One of the original stickers that was on there when we got it.
Okay.
And then that Cat in the Hat one is also another one.
Okay, cool.
Wicked.
August 1999.
And so who was he?
He was the mechanic that
Okay.
brought her back to life.
Gotcha.
He actually put in the wiring harness.
Okay, gotcha. So is he still around?
I don't know. I haven't talked to him for years since Jerry passed away. So, but it was September 1999 that we
Right.
took her back to Jerome.
Okay.
And that's
Gotcha.
when the clowns came. They actually sold the roof rack for gas.
Oh,
We had to buy the roof rack again.
oh, that's awesome. No, I've already broken stuff. This is already kind of low. All right, David, do not climb. No, display only. So massive thanks go to Melissa Jess for letting us be the next caretakers of beloved Bessie. So Bessie belonged to Melissa and her husband Jerry. Jerry passed away about 13 years ago now, and they were longtime VW friends of mine as well as friends of everybody in the community. So getting the opportunity to go and grab Bessie and bring her back out into the world was an opportunity I absolutely couldn't pass up. And enlisting my buddy Randy here to come along for the voyage, well, I knew that it would end up being a really good time. Now, Bessie has not been driven much in the past 13 years, little round the block trips and that sort of thing. Fortunately, Melissa did keep the bus started and operational and that sort of thing. So everything started out fantastic. Bessie fired right up, seemed to run and drive beautifully down the road, but we've got a long trip ahead of us back to Southern California. So a quick run through town from Melissa's place over to Randy's studio. He's an artist in the Phoenix area, and then we'll see where the adventure takes us from there.
Got any weed, hippie?
So we safely traversed the city of Phoenix, Arizona, and landed at Legend City Studios, the art studio that my partner in crime on this trip is a part of. And while he went inside to deal with preparing his car for the Vintage VW show we were going to attend the next day, I seized the opportunity to roll Bessie into the studio for a proper photo shoot. Now, this was a perfect opportunity to document this bus exactly as we received it. So this is a 1967 Volkswagen Sundial camper that is the real deal 60s hippie bus. Now, this bus did travel with the Grateful Dead. It has a long history of being held by hands that were into that scene, and it itself became the icon of a movement after the death of Jerry Garcia. So there's a lot of history going on here, and there were a lot of additions that were made by the previous owner. Some of that stuff will stay, some of it is going to go. But now we can bed down for the night and prepare for tomorrow's event.
I'll see you there.
What do you got, AK?
How much you love me?
Oh, I love you a lot. You know that. Like in human ways.
I got a picture.
Hey, look at that. Right on. Bessie, killer. It's a star.
Whoa, look at this. This is how the hippies live.
I got my shoes off.
Dude.
And everything. I'm like hanging out in my new room. So when my wife and I like fight, I'll like come out and hang out in here.
This is the man cave?
The man cave, the new man cave.
Dude, and look, you're right on the lake.
Guest house.
You gotta have one.
You gotta have one.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Dude, this thing
That's
is...
my trailer in the backyard was. I just go back out to the trailer.
You can't...
The neighbor fucking kept calling city on my ass.
You can't say it's not cozy, though.
Yeah, it's pretty good. First time I kind of sat back here. Oh, and check this out. So underneath the tent and stuff is this like treasure chest, right? And I was worried like if we break down or we're going to be screwed out on the side of the road. But check this action out.
What?
There's like everything.
Full everything.
Full road kit. You've got distributor cap. There's a clutch in there. There's all the cables. You got points, condenser. You got everything. Tow hook.
Is there a steering box?
Oil. No, there's not a steering box. So,
wow.
over here, I opened this up and there's like tools and stuff in here. Yeah. So, or at least a hammer, which is all you need for a Volkswagen.
Yeah, that's it. Hammer, couple wrenches.
So, if we can't like fix it when it breaks, then we are not Volkswagen guys. We are shams, we are liars, we're screwed.
I actually feel much better about this chest, about crossing the desert.
Oh,
now.
I do too. When I saw it, I'm like, oh yeah.
I feel much better about the situation.
Yeah. No,
You get a spare gas can, you're set. Just make sure you put gas in that can.
Oh yeah. No, I can put gas in there.
Yeah.
I think the gas gauge is working.
No way.
I don't know.
They never do.
So Bessie was a crowd pleaser at Bugarama, and it was a fantastic opportunity to show her one last time to the Phoenix crowd before hitting the road.
This isn't Palm Springs, man.
Hey, I'm Randy,
Hey, I'm Randy.
and we're going to drive this whole hippie bus across the desert. Rock on. When it's hot, you got to flood it. All right. It goes.
Where are we going?
Let's find the beach, because it's the desert and it's frickin' hot.
I love it.
Hot.
Bye, AZ. On our way. Bessie, go home.
So out this way.
Yeah, out that way and then right.
Right.
Right?
Right.
Yeah, that was a little more rock star status than I thought, dude. That was cool.
That was kind of cool.
That was fun. I didn't expect that.
Definitely cool. No, I had like several people like, hey, I watch your YouTube thing. It's cool.
Yeah.
And I'm like, whoa. So
Yeah, there was a
That's
lot of that,
fun.
which I never expect.
Yeah.
Which is super cool.
yeah, I bet it's working.
I bet it's
because
working.
now it's down a little farther than it was when I started.
But we should probably still put.
Well, we can still tank it up,
Yeah.
or we could risk it and see like how accurate the gauge is.
There's only one way to test it, dude. It's to risk it.
All right, now we'll top it off. We'll get like road drinks and snacks and all sorts of stuff. We've got our little
Are you
caddy.
sure you don't want to risk it?
Maybe.
Let's see if the
Just
gas gauge works.
Only a lot. We'll see how accurate it is. I don't really want to be stuck
No,
inside
I don't.
the
Dude, of
desert.
all the things, running out of gas would not be that's not a worthy one.
Right, no.
You guys are just stupid.
That's it.
Like, we'll
Yes.
forgive you for something blowing up or
Right,
but just running out of gas, really?
Yeah, no.
Girl shirt.
It's a girl shirt? Is that why it doesn't
Triple
fit?
X.
It kind of works. You never know.
It's buttoned backwards, so it feels funny.
Oh, well then wear it inside out. Are you like happy with your new purchase? Clothing shopping here at the gas station in the middle of nowhere. Well, all right, there you go. This is what fashion is, people, right freaking here. And Bessie enters the lab here at Carchaeology. And what a blast that was. Randy and I had an absolutely hilarious time cruising across the desert in this old hippie bus. The peace signs, the waves, the photos. It was a one-car parade in every sense of the form, and it ran flawlessly. I've driven on absolute ton of old VWs, but I have never been in a split screen bus that runs and drives as well as this one does. Just totally wanted to keep going, and maybe we'll take it back out on the road again. But now that it's here at the lab, the plan is to research its history. That's our favorite part of any car that we deal with, is the story behind the car. Who were the people that were involved with it? Where did this bus go? If any car could tell its story, this is the one I would want to hear. So we're going to dig deep. We're going to find past owners. We're going to find old photos. We're going to share all of that stuff with you. And it's going to be a really fun trip down memory lane and American history. So thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and watch for more videos on this particular bus, as well as all the other historic cars that we deal with here at Carchaeology. Thanks again for watching. Keep on digging them up and driving them, folks. Bye-bye.